Good morning. Very good morning. How are you all? Fine. Okay, done. So, in the previous class, I had given some homework, correct? Homework problem in the sense, one table I asked you to draw the table. Have you drawn that table? Have you drawn? Okay, if yes, okay, I'm very happy. All the values I think you have written. For the sine function, for the cos function, for the tan function, correct? If theta is equal to 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270, 360, correct? The same thing can be written as this is 0, this is pi by 3, pi by 3, pi by 3, correct? This is pi by 4 it is pi by 6, it is pi by 2, it is pi, it is 3 pi by 2, it is 2 pi, isn't it? Correct? When sine 0, 0, this is half, this is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2, it is 1, this is 0, sine 270. What is sine 270? 183 divided 30, Allah? Sorry, 30. 5 by 6 it is. 180 divided by 6. Correct? So this, sorry. Correct, you are right. Correct. So 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, 0. What is sine 270? Sine 270. Sine 270. Sine of 270. Calculate and write. Sine of 180 plus 90. So, okay, this is minus 1, right? Sine 360, 0. Correct? Then cos 0, 0. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. This is 1 by 2. It is 0. What is sine 180? Minus 1. What is cos 270? 0. What is, this is 1. Isn't it? Right? If you want to get the values of tan, divide this by this, this by this, this by this, this by this. So clear idea? Can we move to next concept? Can we move? Next concept, okay. What is next concept, right? Okay. So before going for the next concept, can I write on formula for J purpose? J purpose, can I write? What is sine pi? What is the value of sine pi? Sine 180. Sine 180 is 0, correct? What is the value of sine 2 pi? See, this is line, number line. Pi is 0 is here, correct? Or sine 0, 0. Pi is 0 is here. Pi is here. 2 pi is here. 3 pi is here. 4 pi, right? So sine 2 pi is also 0. Sine 3 pi is also 0. Sine any multiple of pi is 0. Correct? So, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡನ ಸೇರಿಸಿ we can write one formula that ಬಹಳ ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ sin n pi is equal to 0 where n belongs to integer. Sin any multiple of pi is equal to 0. Can we arrive? ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ? Then next cos ಬನ್ನಿ. Cos pi by 2. Okay, or do one thing. Cos pi is 2. What is cos pi? Cos pi minus 1, do you agree? What is cos 2 pi? 1. Because the diagram ನೋಡಿ. Hang a diagram. ಇದು 1 0. Correct? Pen moving. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ? Okay. So this is cos 3 pi. This is minus 1. Cos 4 pi. This is plus 1. ಇದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು best idea you will get. Cos 1 pi is minus 1. Cos 2 pi is 1. Cos 3 pi is minus 1. Cos 4 pi is 1. ಆಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈವನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು cos n pi is equal to minus 1 to the power n, n belongs to integer ಅನ್ಬೋದಾ? If n is equal to 1, minus 1 to the power 1, minus will get. If n is equal to 2, cos 2 pi, minus 1 to the power 2, minus 1 into minus 1, Tirupati Laddu you will get. Same Laddu here. Tirupati Laddu. Okay? Cos 3 pi, 3, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Halwa, this is halwa. Again, this is laddu. Is it okay? Yes. So we'll move to next one. What is that? Okay, 1 minute. I'll have a look on textbook. What are the ideas he has given? Okay. Sine of trigonometric functions. See, okay. In the previous class, I think many of you are commenting that, sir, you have written 3.14 into 2 as 6.18. How it is? How it is? If you ask question, I am very happy that we got the mistake answer. This, while seeing the mobile and while seeing the board, there may be a missing. This is 6.28. It is in the previous example. Okay. I hope you can correct yourself. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಉಂಟು, ಬರಿಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಟುಡೇ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ, ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎರಡು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. sin x is equal to 0 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? x should not be equal to x should be equal to n pi where n belongs to z, correct. In the previous class brahmanda ideyalla, correct. Then next cos x is equal to 0 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? when x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 where n belongs to z. Is it okay? Now we will learn one more new must idea. ಭಾಳ ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ. ready ಭಾಳ ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ. ಓಕೆ, this is x and it is y, it is x dash and it is y dash. Okay, consider the unit circle. That means whose radius is 1. Okay, onchur SLC ತೆಚ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. x axis is y axis, correct. As you know, this is first quadrant, you know this is second quadrant, this is called third quadrant, this is called fourth quadrant, correct, isn't it? In the first quadrant, ಈ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ x ಮತ್ತು y ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? Do you agree? In the second quadrant, minus plus x is negative. First always writing x value, then y value. X is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant, this is negative, this is negative. Do you agree? In the next quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. You know this? If you know this, then no problem. You are punter here, trigonometry, don't worry. Okay, same idea will take. Unit circle, that means from this to this is radius is 1. Okay, I'll take a point here, same yesterday's diagram I'll take. I think he has given the same diagram. Which? Okay, P A comma B, okay, and this is my center O. I'm joining this. Okay, I'll take here x radian, correct, because I have taken it as 1, radius is 1 unit. What should be my arc length? Arc length should be x, because if I want to write L by R equal to theta is x we have taken, L is x. If you take L is equal to x, then R is 1, then it is matching. Is it okay? Guys? Then no problem. Then join this. From this to this distance is A, this to this distance is B. So clear? Right. One more idea I tell you. Okay. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನೀವು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. I am not confusing you. I am trying to convince in a better way, best way ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಉಂಟು P A, B. Okay? This is 0 and from this to this is 1, from this to this is minus 1. Okay? Very good. Look at here. As I said, P A, B is moving point. P A, B is the moving point, correct? This is my A and it is my B. Correct? Do you agree? This is my line. Okay? This is moving line. Illa move ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, see this, as I move this, as I move this, as I move this, as I move this, b will be 0, b will be 0, then a will be 1. Is it okay? Right? Again, as I move this, as I move this, as I move this, as I move this, is it okay? I want answer from your side. Is it okay? Then again, as I move this, as I move this, illondhi itkoli, if I move this to this, then there will be a b value is 1, a will be 0. Is it okay? Again moving, again moving, again moving, again moving, minus sign you will get. Is it okay? Again moving, again moving. So from this one better idea I can convince you, a is lies between -1 to 1, correct? a ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಮೂವ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ -1 ಮತ್ತು 1 ಮಧ್ಯೆನೇ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? Similarly, b is lies between -1 to 1. Is it okay? Do you get this? This is my very first important point, correct? Okay, is it okay? Then what is a here? What is a? If I take this is x, this is base, correct? A is equal to cos theta, b is equal to sin theta, isn't it? If I replace in place of a, cos theta lies between sin theta, correct? Is it okay? So that means range of sin theta is -1 to 1. That means like this we can write cos theta belongs to -1, 1, sin theta belongs to -1, 1. Andre ಏನು? What is the idea for this? Whatever may be the value of theta, sin theta value ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ -1, 1 ಮಧ್ಯೆನೇ ಬರಬಹುದು. 1 ಬರಬಹುದು, ಈ ಕಡೆ -1 ಬರಬಹುದು, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರಬಹುದು, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಬರಬಹುದು. -1 ಗಿಂತ ಆ ಕಡೆ ದಾಟ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, 1 ಗಿಂತ ಈ ಕಡೆ ದಾಟ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನೇ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ರ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. SLC ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ. sin theta value, okay, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ still better way, you can have a better way from the table. ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, SLC ಟೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಪ್ ಟು 90 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, 1 ಕಮ್ಮಿನೇ ಉಂಟು ನೋಡಿ, 1 ಮತ್ತು 1 ಕಮ್ಮಿನೇ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? So that is because of this. Is it okay, guys? Is it okay? Sin theta values always lies between -1 to 1 and cos theta values always lies between 1 to 1, correct? So -1 to 1. Sin theta, if I take this as f of x, what? ಇದ್ರ ಬೆಲೆ -1 to 1 ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? sin theta ದ ರೇಂಜ್ -1 to 1 ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? Is it okay? Cos theta ದ ರೇಂಜ್ -1 to 1. Isn't it? Cos sin theta range -1 to 1, cos theta range -1 to 1. So clear counter idea, right? This is very important point. Do you agree, guys? Do you agree? Yes or no? Understood clearly? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಿತ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಯು ಕಮೆಂಟ್, so that I can reply you in a still better way. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Is it okay? ತೆಗಿಲ ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮುಗಿದ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಎರಡನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಟ್ಟನಲ್ಲಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತದ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. I'll tell you, oh, don't worry. I'll tell you still better way. Look at here. Ready? In this point, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು, ಈ a, b ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ okay, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಈಗ. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Is it okay? Is it okay? Right. In first quadrant values will be plus, in second quadrant values will be minus, next quadrant minus, next quadrant plus. Is it okay? Okay. What is a here? What is a? Very nice. A is equal to cos theta, b is equal to sin theta, correct? ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ a, b ಏನಾದರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ 4 ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? 4 ಭಾಗ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನು 0 ಗಿಂತ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ, 0 ಗಿಂತ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 90 ಗಿಂತ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಬಹಳ ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಪುಸ್ತಕನ ಓದ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನೋ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಗೆಟ್ ಮೈ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ guys, get my logic. This is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Don't worry, I'm going very slow. Up to this any problem? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾಮಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಇಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಎ ಕಮ ಬಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? 0 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮೇಲೆ 90 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ? ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಬಂತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಎ ಕಮ ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಮನೆಗೆ ಏನು 90 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? 90 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಈ ಕಡೆ, 180 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. 90 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಈ ಕಡೆ, 180 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಆ ಕಡೆ. Is it okay? Second quadrant, can I write pi by 2 less than x is less than pi? 0 less than x is less than 90 also you can write. Okay, no problem. When if it comes to third quadrant ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? This is 270. Third quadrant ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ 1 2 3 ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಬಚ್ಚೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಏನು? 180 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ, 270 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. 180 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಈಚೆ, 270 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಈಚೆ ಬದಿಗೆ ಆಚೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ phi is less than x is less than 3 pi by 2. So clear idea guys? Any problem with this? No problem. You go to fourth quadrant 270 ಗಿಂತ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ, 360 ಗಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಬಂದಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಬಂದಲ್ಲ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು, ಇದು ಅನ್ಬೋದು. 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 ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ. ಈಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸರಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಳು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರು, ಮನೇಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ಕ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ವೈಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ ವೈಸ್. ಎನಿವೇ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ? ಡನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಈ ಬಂತು ಮಸಾಲ, ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಮಸಾಲ. ನೋಡಿ ಎ ಕಮ ಬಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಉಂಟಾಯ್ತಾ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾನು ನೀವು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎ ಕಮ ಬಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ, ಎ ಕಮ ಬಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ, ಎ ಕಮ ಬಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? A is plus, B is also plus. Is it okay? Then what is A? Cos theta is plus, sin theta is minus. Sin theta is plus, cos theta is plus. Is it okay? Done. Is it okay? ಆಮೇಲೆ tan second cosecant ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Is it okay? Done. Second quadrant ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಐ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪಟ್ಟನ್ ವೇ. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನೋಡಿ, he has not given this way, he has given different. Okay, what is A? Cos theta is negative in the second quadrant. Sin theta is plus. Okay, done. Go for the third quadrant. ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಸರಿನಾ? ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? A is negative, B is negative. What is A? Cos theta is negative, sin theta is negative. Correct? Then next ಹಾಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? A is positive, B is negative. Correct? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು cos theta is positive, sin theta is negative. Is it okay? ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಮುಗಿತು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Is it okay? Any problem with this? No problem, guys. Understood? Happy? Done. Is it okay? Done. If I want to take tan theta, sin by cos, plus divided by plus only, isn't it? Then secant theta, plus only, cosecant theta, plus only, cot theta, plus only. In the first quadrant, all trigonometry functions are positive. First point. In the first quadrant, all trigonometry functions are positive. Is it okay? Done. Go for the second one. Tan theta, negative, plus divided by minus. Correct? Then secant theta, negative. Is it okay? Then cosecant theta positive, cot theta negative. In the second quadrant, only sin and cosecant theta are positive. In the second quadrant, only sin and cosecant theta are positive. Remaining all the trigonometries are negative. Is it okay? Then go for the third quadrant. Tan theta positive. Correct? No. I'll go with you. Tan theta positive, secant theta negative. Okay? AST. Okay. Done. Next. Very good. Cosecant theta negative. Cot theta negative. Cot theta positive. You said positive. Very nice. Then next, tan theta negative. Same way. Secant theta plus cosecant theta, cot theta. ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಥ ಚಂದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಲ್ಲ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಟ 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 ಬರುವಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಈಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಏನು ಪಟ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಜಾದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಜಾದು ವಿ ಡನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. Is it okay? Then in the first quadrant, all trigonometries are positive. In the second quadrant, only sin and cosecant are positive, meaning all the trigonometry functions are negative. In the third quadrant, see, ನಾನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, remaining all the trigonometry functions are negative. Correct? In the fourth quadrant, ASTC, cos and secant are positive, remaining all the trigonometry functions are negative. Isn't it? How? Sir, ನೀವು ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಸ್ಕೋಕೊಂಡು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. I tell you. Is it okay, guys? Is it okay? Any problem with this? No.
Same table.
Huh? Same table. But you cannot remember that table, guys. Is it okay? Can I remove this? ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾ? ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಬರ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಹೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್? By rotating that angle in an anti-clockwise direction, isn't it? By rotating that line in an anti-clockwise direction. Now one more way clockwise. There is one more way clockwise. Only two ways. Don't do it. Okay. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ASTC. ಎಷ್ಟದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ASTC, all students take coffee. Morning time, all students take coffee. Or sir, we don't want coffee, all students take chai. Is it okay? All students take coffee. Again I repeat, all students take coffee. Done, Punter? All in the sense, all trigonometries are positive. All trigonometry are positive. Yes, in the sense, sin and cosecant, sin and its reciprocal. Tan in the sense, T in the sense, tan and cot. See in the sense cos and secant. Is it okay? This is first quadrant, correct? This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And it is fourth quadrant. Is it okay? First quadrant, all trigonometries are positive. Correct? In the second quadrant, suppose if I ask you, when theta lies in third quadrant, what is the value of tan theta? Negative, positive? Positive, because tan. Is it okay, guys? In the first quadrant, all positive. In the second quadrant, sine and cosecant are positive. Remaining all are negative. Is not this from this table? In the third table, in the third home, in the third quadrant, in the third house, only tan and cot are positive. Remaining all are negative. In the fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. Remaining all are negative. Punter idea? You can, by using this, you can write this. Is it okay? So clear idea? Any problem? No problem. Okay. Pataki ready untala ajike? Celebration? Okay, done. Clear? I'll remove this. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ASTC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So after some time please remind me. One more logic I tell you. I got now, but ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಹೊಸದೇನು ಮಾಡಿ. Is it okay? Next up, this table will take in graph, but to still better idea will get. We'll understand in Rangoli, you will see. That is very easy, very easy. You should enjoy maths. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಿರ್ಸ್ರಿ ಹೀಗೆ? ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ತಿರ್ಸೋಣ, ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ತಿರ್ಸೋಣ. We'll rotate in clockwise. We'll rotate in clockwise. This is x and it is y. It is h dash and it is y dash. Is it okay? This is my 0. Same thing I taken here. मैं change ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ p, p circle ಹಿಂಗೋ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆದಂಗೆ circle it is. Is it okay? Done. So draw perpendicular. This is my a and this is my b and this is my x radian. Correct? So if I am writing x radian, if I am writing x radian, what does it mean? We are rotating the angle in an anti-clockwise direction. Correct? There is no rule. ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಬದಲು ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೂ ತಗೋಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೂ ತಗೋಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a, b ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? Is it okay? Done. ಇದರಿಂದಲೂ ತಿಳಿಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನಮಗೂ ತಿಳಿಬಹುದು, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು? angle should like this. This is minus x. Correct? Up from this to this is my x, again from this to this is my x, and from this to this is my x. Is it okay? Is it okay? Done. Can we have now? This angle is minus, correct? This angle is minus. What is this quadrant? Fourth quadrant. This quadrant is fourth quadrant, correct? So fourth quadrant, isn't it? This is value of cos theta and this is the value of sin theta. ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಯಾರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎದ್ದು ಗೊಪ್ಪಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನಾನು ASTC ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಡೀರಿ. minus x. This is minus x, correct? Angle it is. Complete angle. Angle is there in radian. Is it okay? Minus sign just shows that clockwise. ಹೇಳ್ತಿರತ್ತವನು ನೋಡಿ, ಹೇಳ್ತಿರತ್ತವನೆ a, minus b cos theta minus sin theta, correct? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೇನು? a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? cos theta, correct? b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? sin theta. b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? minus b. Is it okay? b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? minus b. Didn't get this? Okay. ಕಡೆಗೆ a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? or don't worry. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? cos theta ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು theta ಯಾವುದು ಹೇಳಿ? ಇದು a is equal to cos theta ದಲ್ಲಿ theta ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಂತ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos of minus theta ಅಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? Or can I write it as x? No problem. Is it okay? So clear?
Cos of minus x.
cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Is it okay? Is it okay? Done. Next ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇದು theta ಯಾವುದು, ಇದು theta ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು minus sin theta is equal to sin of minus theta. Got this idea? Cos of minus x is equal to plus cos x, sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. Is it okay? Just because a comma minus b ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಯಾರು ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, is it okay? So clear idea? No confusion regarding this? ಸೀದಾ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, it's going very clearly, it's going very clearly, no problem, no problem, no problem. Can we move? ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ, ಎದುರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಎದುರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ. Can we move? Okay, done. I'll remove this. Is it over? I'll not remove it. Okay, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು tan of minus x ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಏನಾಯ್ತು, this divided by this minus tan x, correct? Then cosecant of minus x ಬೇಕು, minus cosecant x. Is it okay? Then secant of minus x ಬೇಕು, secant x. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು, cot of minus x ಬೇಕು, cot of minus x is divided by this minus cot x. Is it okay, Brahmanda? Is this Brahmanda okay? Okay guys, so happy, so happy. But next concept ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇವತ್ತು ಇದೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಿಜಿಗಿಜಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Is it okay?
One quadrant is correct.
This is entire one quadrant. ಮತ್ತೆ we'll apply different technique, don't worry. Is it okay? So cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. How do you remember this? This entire Masrana, how do you remember? How do you remember? Cos of minus x is plus cos x, and secant, and its reciprocal. Secant of minus x is plus secant x. Remaining all the trigonometry functions are negative. Remaining all the trigonometry functions are negative. Don't connect this to ASTC. This is entirely different. This don't connect this to ASTC. Ulta correct, but don't connect. Next concept ko then confuse agate. ASTC is my logic. You keep in your mind. Don't connect to this. ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it okay? Then sin of minus x. This is very easy, you can remember. Cos of minus x is plus cos x, secant of minus x is plus secant x. Only cos and secant is plus. Remaining all the trigonometries are negative. Sin of minus x is minus sin x. Cosecant of minus x is minus cosecant x, minus cosecant of x. Tan of minus x is minus tan x. Cot of minus x is minus cot x. Happy? Smile please. Is it okay? Is it okay guys? Done. I'll remove this. Okay? Anything else? No. Yes. Okay. ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಇವನ ಒಂದು 5 minutes before going for next concept, domain and range. So this completes sign of trigonometry functions. Today's class is very important class. I'll tell you, very important class. See, ಒಂದಿನ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ನೋಡಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. I'm telling you, not telling you, I'm warning you. After 2 to 3 days, I'm going to make that video as private. If you don't see, I'm not responsible, correct? ಬರೀ 100 views ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎನಿಹೌ look at here, ASTC ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, you are finding the value of sin 90, cos 90, sin 90, cos 90. Okay, don't this idea when you come to college, I Please remind me this. You take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot. This is not a syllabus. This is the logic. Very clear cut logic. When you come to college, I'll tell you this logic. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Remind me, huh? Reminding is your responsibility. Okay. In the first quadrant, how do you remember? In the first quadrant, all trigonometry are positive. In the second quadrant, sine and cosecant are positive. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. Remaining all are negative. Is it okay? Done. So make a big table. No need to write. Did you understand this perfect idea? Did you understand this idea so clearly? Okay, then we'll stop. Domain and range we'll take in next class along with the graph. Domain and range along with the graph. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Have a super duper day. Thank you so much. See you next class.